Okay, so let's get done with this. Um, it's night time, and I've just offed my lights because yeah, things are going on over there, that side of my house, and there's just a street light over there. Um, I just had my shower, and I love how my skin is glowing these days. Um, and I should tell you, my skin wasn't like this always. I have a oily skin, and it took me a really long time to figure out what suits me, what kind of moisturizer to use, what kind of sunscreen to use, because things are not that easy for oily skin people, especially girls, with all the hormonal changes. Um, yeah, lot of acne's. Um, but I am still trying to find solutions, and I found few. Actually, my friend the other day was talking about Dermaco. Actually, she was talking about the foundation and how great the coverage is. You know, it can even hide tattoos. So I thought, let me check it out, and I came across this serum. Um, it is known to hide acne marks. So I just thought, let me give this a try, and I've been applying it every night after my after coming from work, washing my face, and just applying this beautiful serum. It feels amazing, and people are really actually coming up to me and telling, "Oh, your skin just improved a lot in you know like I've been doing this since 2 weeks regularly, and it's really been showing effects." And I bought this other gel. It's called AHA BHA gel. It's for active acne. Can you see it? Yeah. So yeah, it's really good, and it just I really don't know the technical terms, to be really honest. I'm just telling you the practical um, thing that I experienced. It's a wonderful serum and gel both together actually. uh, I'm sure all their products are this amazing, but in specifically, I've just used these two. I've I've been planning to buy some more, but yeah, my skin has really improved a lot. It wasn't like this always. I had a lot of acne, and especially this side. Like, I still have a few acne marks, but it's fading, and I'm super happy about it. I'm really happy about it, and I want all the oily girls out there, all the girls. I don't think oily girls would sound good. Sorry for that. Yeah, people, all the girls especially who have oily skin, I really, really recommend these two products. Start with the gel, the serum, I guess. Yeah, the serum. It's really wonderful. I tell you, it's really wonderful. And if you have like really acne problems, I would suggest uh, you to go to a dermatologist instead of trying out things. For me, I knew what my problem was, and how I should cure it by reading blogs and a lot of stuff about lot of information about oily skin in general. So I just gave it a try. I knew what a BHA gel was, by the way. Yeah. So this is a really like a blessing for um, um, all the type of skin in general. It really um, you know controls your sebum, which produces oil. So I knew about it, so I went ahead and just purchased it, and it was like they were having a off season. Like, I got it for 50% off, which is super cool. Like right, it's always good to save money, right? Yeah, I really like doing that. And I guess that's it. It's when I started this video I thought it would be a 3 minutes video, but it's 5 minutes now. And see you in another video. Bye.